What's going on, guys? Welcome to Journey to the Moon. Today is the evening of June 26, 2017. Lots of red today in the crypto space as the market has lost $18 billion in the past 24 hours. Lots of weak hands spreading FUD, and to be honest, guys, I don't think it's that bad. It's not as bad as the May 27th cryptocurrency market crash where the market lost $30 billion. Going from 90 billion to 60 billion for a drop of 33%. As I look at it now, the market only went down 20%, which is bad, but it has recovered slightly since then, and I'll get into it. But ultimately, guys, when it comes to the cryptocurrency market crashing or a crash, the main thing I look for, was there a significant event that caused the market to crash? Now, I couldn't really find anything. It's not like there was a Mt. Gox ransomware threats or somebody dying. And yes, there was an article of Vitalik dying, but that was fake news, guys. Vitalik didn't really die. Here he is, and maybe the fake news scared some weak hands and caused a lot of FUD. But here he is on Twitter, and actually he was using his Twitter fingers an hour ago. So he's alive and well, and I could see if Vitalik did die, which I don't wish that upon him, but if he did die, I could see how people would be scared, and they'll dump their ETH as they say, oh, we lost our leader, and just watch it dump, and then it just causes a domino effect across the whole crypto space. But that didn't happen. There really isn't a significant event. If we click on, let's see the crypto space here. It's probably just another correction. I mean, the past couple of months have been hyperbolic. I mean, it looks worse here. It looks pretty bad right here. But again, let's look at the May 27th. What happened there? Going from 90 billion to 60 billion. While you're losing 30 billion in 48 hours. And then after that, it went up pretty steady, and it didn't really hang around the all-time high at the time of $90 billion. It went right past it. It went up and up, and then it went down a little bit. And then it been, there was still a lot of money to be made ever since May 27th. So we look at the past 7 days here. Let's look at yesterday. It was at 110 billion. And went down to 92 billion. So percentage wise, it's not that bad. Here we are, negative 16%. Let's look at the 48 hours ago. It was at June 25th. It was at 115 billion. Yes, okay, it went down 20%, which would start qualifying it as a bear market, but it wasn't at 92 billion very long. Maybe an hour. It bounced back up since there. But look, let's refresh the page here. Here we are at 98 billion. There's still a significant drop here, but not. I mean, May 27th was twice as bad, twice as much, and then the market recovered from there. And there really wasn't any significant news. I mean, guys, people have to take profit sometimes. It's the middle of summer. They're going on summer vacation, so maybe if the market goes down to like 85 billion, yeah, then I'd be worried. But look, it's still not as bad percentage wise. Then it would be 30 billion. I don't want it to go down 30 billion. But ultimately, it depends on your investment strategy. It depends on your investment strategy. A lot of people say a crash is coming, but no one knows when. But some people count on the crash so they could buy at a discount. Some people have 25% reserved, 10% reserved, so they could buy something at a discount and then sell it when the price goes back to normal, or medium. So here, if we look at Steam, for example, go to the 1-day chart, it went down all the way to like 148. So they probably bought some Steam at here at 150, 160. And the past 7 days, it's kind of been over $2. So they bought some Steam at 160, and they'll wait for it to pump back up to $2 and sell it for a 25% or some returns there. But again, it depends on the game you're playing. There's a lot of ways to play the crypto game. As some people quote Timothy Sykes and Warren Buffett. So one thing that I understand Timothy Sykes does is he cashes out of his 90% of his positions into cash, and every night. So that would make sense in a day like today, where you're buying everything at a discount, and then once the market normalizes, you sell again. But crypto is not penny stocks. It's not the stock market. But what does Warren Buffett say? Well, never lose any money, right? Rule number one. But he says, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So, if you want to take those philosophies into account, they still apply. For me at this point, like I talked about in my last two videos, where I bought some Stratus and ETC, as I expect the devs to release updates in the next coming days, or in the next couple weeks, and I expect the value of those coins to go up with the execution of the ETC and Stratus devs. So I'm pretty heavy on Stratus right now, and I'm bag holding, but I expect Stratus to go up. At this point, it would be a big L for me to lose it would be a big L for me to sell right now. So I'm just bag holding Stratus, waiting for it to go to like $10, $11. And my investment strategy is pretty simple right now. Gold and hold, buy and hold. Because I'm so top heavy on Stratus right now, I'm pretty much stuck holding this thing. But at the same time, I believe. But it's not that bad, guys. Nothing really significant happened. Just another correction, if you will. Or, it could be a dead cat bounce. No one knows the bottom for sure. No one can really call the top. But I'm not too worried about it. Again, if it goes to like 85 billion, then I'll start. But my investment strategy is not going to change. I'm still going to hold, because it's going to be a big loss for me to sell. But that's the game I'm willing to play. That's the risk I'm willing to take. Let me know what you think. I don't think it's that bad as people make it seem. But buy, sell, or hold. Let me know what you're going to do. Until then, I'll see you on the moon.